Find or read reviews that people are talking about Abestorm 190 PPD commercial dehumidifiers with pump and drain hose, large spaces industrial dehumidifier for basements, job sites. Water damage restoration, portable, auto defrosting, 5-year warranty. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Abestorm 190 PPD commercial dehumidifiers with pump and drain hose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Durable commercial dehumidifiers. The shell is made of roto-molded polyethylene, which is lightweight and has incredible durability and impact resistance. This commercial dehumidifier can remove 190 pints at saturation and 90 pints at AHAM. It is suitable for large workplaces up to 2,600 square feet. Ergonomic design. This industrial dehumidifier has a built-in condensate pump with a hose that can drain anytime and anywhere. There is a space on the back of the machine to store an 18 feet power cord and 19.6 feet hose. The high-density MERV 8 filter can be replaced easily. Rare earth alloy tube evaporator technology extends product life. Memory start and timer are convenient for you. Water damage restoration. This commercial dehumidifier can withstand harsh working environments because of roto-molded plastic housing, low-temperature operation, auto defrost, and waterproof design. This compact dehumidifier easily maintains relative ideal humidity and is relied on by water damage professionals and cleaning specialists. Easy to operate control panel. The control panel is simple to operate with only 4 buttons. You can achieve the functions of manual drainage, turning on/off the power, selecting the operation mode and confirmation. The display panel will show an error code if any problem occurs during the dehumidifier operation. You can get troubleshooting tips to solve the problem. Abestorm Hurricane 900 commercial and industrial and household dehumidifier. Large capacity, powerful, efficient, convenient and durable. It removes up to 190 PPD of water from the air at saturation. It removes 90 PPD of water from the air at AHAM conditions. It can be rented commercially or as a home investment, saving money for your long-term dehumidification needs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.